Hi guys, this is R.V.C from R.V.C Tech here, and I'm back with another video. This is the cheapest gaming mouse I could find online. I got it for $3 and it's known as Floureon or Floureon, depends on where you come from. The packaging is very simple and this could be the result of the low price. It comes inside a bubble wrapper, nothing really fancy. It's a wired mouse, so it's a matter of plug and play. The wire is roughly 1.5 meters. At the bottom, we have some information, and by the way, it's compatible with Windows, Mac, Android and Linux, as they say on the description. I tested it with Windows 10 and it worked fine. It lights up in 7 different colors. This will be clearly visible in the dark. We have 4 key modes. The scroll wheel, which is well placed and responsive. Then we have the right and left buttons, which are intact. We have the DPI button. You can change from 800 to 1200 DPI. At the side, we have some engraving to increase the grip. It's really comfortable to use even for long periods of time, and it's responsive. Everything is intact and well placed. Overall, the mouse is plastic built and it's really lightweight. To be honest, I can't really complain. You get what you pay for, and I will recommend it to anyone who needs a gaming mouse and is on a budget. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Ta-da!